415, 415, downtown, break, break.
8415, what's going on, man? 415, what's going on around San Diego? Whiskey 2 Alpha around Honolulu, break, break.
Whiskey 2 Alpha, man. We talked to you for a long time. How you been, man? Whiskey 2 Alpha. You ain't getting no monsoon, are you? You 2 Alpha?
No, we're having some real good weather this weekend. It's been nice all weekend. It's been hot, nice and sunny there. Good weekend to spend some time outside there. But I heard you keying up there, 415. It's been a while, man, so I wanted to wave the hand. Hope you had a good weekend. Hope you enjoyed your Labor Day holiday. 415 around San Diego, looking real good around Honolulu break.
You don't doubt about it, man. Likewise, stay so much fire for yourself. You're always trying to get around San Diego, Cal. There ain't no two ways about it. Anyway, you take care of your 2 Whiskey Alpha, man. It's good to hear you. My friend, around Honolulu Islands. 415 San Diego, back wise.
Yeah, okay, 415. You enjoy the rest of your weekend, what's left of this Labor Day holiday, and we'll catch you later. Till we do it again. 415 San Diego, Whiskey 2 up around this shack in Honolulu, waving aloha.
Aloha, Shaka.